Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix boost without music on Insta post promotion. So if you're trying to boost any post and it shows the option that it cannot be boosted or it can be only boosted without music. So if you face this issue, then what could be the solution for it? So first you have to simply open your Instagram app by clicking onto its icon, and once the app gets open, you will be onto its homepage. Now, once you're on the home page, you have to go to your profile. So at the bottom, we have five different options. You have to click onto the right one, which is your profile icon or your profile picture. So just simply tap onto it, and then you will have to open that post that you would like to post. And once you click onto it, just say that boost without music. So we have the only option to boost without the music, but if you want it to be with music, it couldn't be possible. But on some posts, it may not show this option. So the reason is that those posts that you have used the Instagram music, you cannot boost them with that music because of the copyright issue. The organizer or maybe the owner of the song could add any sort of copyrights on your post or Instagram. That's why it is not allowed. But if you want to do it, in that case, you can do it without the music. But if you want the music, then you have to add the music on your video before uploading it onto Instagram, like through any editing app. And once you add it, then upload it. And don't use the Instagram music in that case. And then you can use it as for promotion or for boosting. That's the only way to do it. There's no other option available. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it. For more informative videos and updates, leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you for watching the video till the very end.